telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place.
Hello everyone, TGIF. Can you believe there is only one more Friday left in 2019? That is just amazing. The year flew by so fast. And this year for me, 2019, was about becoming more organized and finding cleaning processes that just made the job easier for me. And laundry was one of the processes that I zoned in on, and I'm happy to say that I found something that works for me that takes the task out of doing laundry. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing all of my dirty little laundry secrets. My first tip is to have laundry baskets in each room. And I also have a laundry basket in a central location, and this is just so that clothes don't get thrown on the floor. Instead, they go in the basket. And this is my centralized laundry basket, so you'll notice that there's clothes in there from more than one individual. After that, my second tip is to separate the clothes out by individual. You will notice I have a couple of piles. I have towels, then I have my pile here, my daughter's pile, my son's pile, and I even go as far as separating out socks because I hate searching through a pile of clean clothes with socks in it. I then go and grab their laundry baskets from their bedroom, and I will throw in the clothes that I separated from my general laundry basket. After that, I take all these baskets downstairs and I start washing by individual. And I cannot stress enough how much of a difference this has made for me.
This night to be over. Wanna get closer, it's not over yet. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans for what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you, 'cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. wanna go inside and drink hot chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
And now back to the regularly scheduled program. Now that my first load of laundry is dried, I can focus on putting it away. I do my son's clothes a little different from everyone else's in the house. I separate out his shirts and his pants, and then I make pairs for him. He's at the stage where he doesn't really care too much about what he wears. I'd like for him to be like that as long as possible. So what I do is I make pairs for him, and all he has to do in the morning is go and pick out a pair of clothes. It's all done. It's easy for him. It's easy for me. And it just works out better that way for us.
Forget when she gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. Said an easy goodbye. Always wait till it's too late. Just let it happen, leave it all up to fate. But there is a part of me, the memories too smart in me, telling me, begging me to listen to myself and let me be free. I don't wanna, I don't need to take it serious. She's trouble, move on, just do better, 'cause you're probably right. She gives me that smile. It's like I never felt so alive. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. I'll give up the day that I died. Any sooner is a waste of my love. Waste of my love. Don't love. Trouble, move on, just do better, 'cause you're probably right. I kinda wanna understand what you mean when you say her and me, we never ever should have played it this real.
Now I'm moving on to my daughter's laundry, and her laundry is folded and put away a different way. I do not make any outfits for her. She is very capable of doing that all on her own, and so I don't have to worry about going and doing that extra step for her. However, with her, I feel like I have to spend a little more time trying to get her drawers organized, just because she does go through them trying to make outfits on her own. One good thing about me trying to become organized this year is that it's rubbing off on my kids in a very positive manner. My daughter tries really hard to keep her drawers cleaned. Every so often I'll walk in and she'll be organizing her different drawers. She even has organization FaceTime parties with her little friends, and they'll be on FaceTime organizing their drawers together. So I think it's really cute.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down.
My third tip is to get rid of any clothes that you know are not going to fit anymore as you come by them. As I'm folding here, I'm looking at all the clothes that I'm folding to make sure that they still fit her. And if I know it's something that doesn't fit her or something that she's not going to wear anymore, I'm going to put that to the side. At the beginning of the year, during my first video, I talked about how I held on to things and I held on to clothing especially, and I know that that's something that I don't do anymore. So if that's something that you struggle with, I completely understand. Just go for it, get rid of it. Even if you do it little by little, eventually that feeling of having to keep things will go away, and it is so freeing.
Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I love you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, down, down. Baby, going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on
We are now getting to the end of this video. I hope that you found these tips helpful. This is something that I've really been zoning in on, and I can tell you that I really do enjoy doing laundry again. It's not something that I'm burdened with anymore. So give it a try if you're looking for a new routine. I promise you won't be disappointed. Thank you for watching and have an amazing weekend with your family. Bye.
no more. We're done now. No, it's no more.